Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanell, and on this channel I give you guys social media marketing tips as well as entrepreneurial tips so that you can be successful. So before I start off this video, I definitely have to say a major shout out to all of you guys that did support my last video on the topic of money. And for those of you that aren't aware of those videos, be sure that you check them out. They are right here. Now, based on the analytics that I saw from those videos, I definitely see that you guys take a large interest in money. So I figure we'll just continue to keep that conversation going with this week's video. Now, this week, I want to talk about the different ways that you can diversify your income without putting a lot of work into it, aka passive income. So if you guys are interested in learning how you can make money while you sleep, be sure to keep on watching. Now, first things first, I think we should definitely define what exactly passive income really is. And it can be categorized as earning revenue on projects that you have, but you don't have an active role in those projects. Now, a good example of this would be, let's say, a rental property of some sort. I live in the state of New York, but let's say if I had a rental property that was in the state of Virginia, that can be listed as passive income because even though I live here and I have a renter that's in another state, I know that at every first of the month, I will be receiving a check from that renter. Why? Because it's a project I have. I'm not really actively involved, but I'm getting paid for it. And that's an easy way of explaining passive income in a nutshell. Now, the first way you can earn passive income is by creating a YouTube channel. Based on the video that you guys saw last week, you definitely can see that YouTube is a nice means of making some extra cash on the side. But essentially, the way that you're able to earn revenue through YouTube is through the ads that are placed in your videos. Anytime somebody clicks on an ad, you're going to earn a small bit of revenue from that click. Now, YouTube is definitely a great means for passive income because once you put that video out there, and I have about 900 plus of them, that's basically videos that are sitting on the platform just waiting to be watched. And that basically means that's giving me 900 opportunities to increase more revenue. It's also good to mention that most of the content I have on that channel is more so educational or tutorial based. So that means that there's going to be a lot of people returning to those videos, rewatching those videos, or rewatching those ads. And that's essentially going to be more revenue that I can generate from that YouTube channel while I sleep. Now, the second way that you can earn passive income is by writing an ebook of some sort, and that's something that I did a couple of months ago. Now, as I mentioned in my last video, I was able to do this for free via Canva, and I didn't have to invest any revenue into this project. The only thing I had to do was just write the book that one time, push it out on all of my social media pages, and now it lives there up until I decided to take it down. Now, writing an ebook was a great source of passive income because it literally just sits there and anybody who sees it is free to purchase it at any point in time. It's also good to mention that if you do create an ebook that is affordable, and that's something that I definitely did, it's going to give you a greater chance of having people actually purchase that, and that's going to give you more revenue that you can generate every single month. Now, the third way you can earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. And I have to say, I have a special place in my heart when it comes to this because it's literally unlimited ways for you to earn income. Now, the way that affiliate marketing works is basically you join a program of some sorts and then you agree to a small portion of a commission sale that you're going to get. Now, the way that you're able to earn commission is through a specific link where somebody clicks it and they purchase something, that's more commission for you, as well as if you have a coupon code of some sort. If somebody does purchase something and they use your specific code, that's also going to be more commission that you can generate from that program. Now, I think affiliate marketing is so dope when it comes to passive income because you literally just have to drop your link. That could be on your website, that could be on a social media page, that can even be through word of mouth. So if you tie all of that together, that actually makes the process of earning commission a lot easier. Now, the fourth way you can earn revenue is through blogging, and this is something that I wish I started a lot sooner in my whole social media journey. Now, the reason why blogs or blogging is considered to be passive income is because you literally just create the content and then you just put it out there on your blog. And it's going to stay up there for as long as your blog is active. Now, the reason why I feel blogging is amazing when it comes to passive income is because it gives you 3 different ways for you to earn revenue. The first way is through AdSense, and it's pretty much just like with YouTube. So with your blog, you're able to place ads on there. If somebody's reading a post, they like your content, let's say they click on a relevant ad, you can now earn a small commission. Now, with blogging, you can also throw in affiliate marketing as well as with YouTube in there as well. Let's say if I'm going to write a blog post on this topic, which I am, by the way, ways to make passive income. If I have an affiliate link that leads to something that you purchase, as well as throwing in my YouTube video where it's like, oh, okay, I read the content, but now I can actually watch it visually, that's now 3 different ways for you to earn passive income. The fifth way you can earn income passively is through opening an online store. Now, if you guys don't know, I do have my own online store called Serene Body Sense, and this is where we essentially sell organic hair and skincare products. Now, I have to be honest with you guys, opening your own shop or your own online store is amazing, and this is the only one out of everything on this list because it's actually the one that has generated over 100,000 in sales for me. Now, the best thing about opening your own online store is that you are the boss. You can choose to sell digital-based products, or you can even choose physical-based products. But even better, you get to set your own prices. Now, opening your own online shop definitely qualifies as a means for passive income, mainly because the only thing you have to worry about is just getting your product to your customer. If you decide to go with a digital-based store, that's going to be even better for you, because at that point, the only thing you have to worry about is just collecting your revenue. Now, I have experience with both of these, and I'll be the first one to tell you, it really doesn't matter which one you go into. They equally have the potential to be very profitable. Now, the sixth way that you can earn income passively is by selling your services. Now, a good example of this would be this YouTube video right here. You know, you guys are watching me giving you all this really good advice about how to make money on the side. Yes, this is one of my jobs, and I actually sell this service of me being a content creator. Now, being a content creator is something that I absolutely love, but let me tell you, you can sell just about any type of skill or service that you may have. You just got to get creative and see exactly what you have to offer. Now, I've been a content creator for the past 8 years, and one of the ways that I earn money on the side is by creating digital content for my clients. Now, this definitely does serve as a means of passive income because I usually spend a few hours working on my content, but once it's done, it's uploaded, it's posted, I am then compensated for my time as well as my work by my client, and that's it. Now, as I said earlier, everyone has some type of skill set or service that they can share. Now, if you guys are looking for inspiration or just a way to get started on how you can monetize your skills or service, be sure to check out Fiverr, Freelancer, as well as Upwork, because they are all really good platforms that can get you started so that you can start monetizing your skills and services. Now, the seventh way that you can earn income passively is by selling online courses. Remember what we said about services? I'm telling you guys, there's always something that you can offer somebody. Now, selling courses online is pretty much when you come up with a curriculum, you basically post those videos on a platform. I actually use Teachable for mine. And then at that point, the people that purchase into your curriculum are able to go through your course on their own time without you being actively involved. Now, I definitely love online courses, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but clearly I love to teach. But in my course, Branded Business Base, I give more in-depth information on how to brand yourself as well as how to start your business. Now, the first way that makes me feel good is because I'm able to be compensated for my time. Now, the second reason I love to sell online courses is because of the teaching aspect. If I'm able to teach somebody the same information that I used to be successful, and now they use it and apply it and they can reach that same success, that makes me feel good. And lastly, the third reason why I love selling online courses is because that now gives me another opportunity to convert somebody to my tribe. And that is essentially going to bring more traffic to my websites as well as all the different things that I have online for sale. Now, the eighth way that you can earn money online passively is by selling your old clothes online. Now, I've been selling things online for the past 2 years, and the reason why I love it is because one, you make somebody's day by giving them an item that they have been searching for or something that they absolutely love. 2, you're able to generate income, and then 3, you're able to get rid of all the stuff that you no longer wear and just have more space in your home. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I am a content creator, also known as an influencer, so I get a lot of freebies, and most of the time that stuff is just sitting in my closet or I give it away to somebody. I quickly realized that I can actually use those items to generate revenue, and the only thing that I really had to do was just model the clothing. Take a couple of pictures of me showing how it fit, how it looked, put a couple of details in online, throw it on there, and then just wait for somebody to purchase it. Your stuff will be listed there for as long as your store is open, and of course you'll use your social media pages to get the word out that you have things online for sale. If you guys are interested in learning how you can use social media to make more money online, as well as how you can pick a profitable niche that can earn you more revenue, be sure to check these videos out over here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!